here's E. If we get a chance to visit a Chinese restaurant here in Germany, we always like to order some deep-fried wontons as an entree. If you're wondering how these delicious things are made, it's pretty easy. We will need 50 grams of white mushrooms and 50 grams of black fungus. You can also use water chestnuts or bamboo shoots here. The black fungus needs to be hydrated with hot water for about 10 minutes beforehand. Dice both of them roughly to the size of a mung bean. Take 400 grams of pork mince, add 20 grams of ginger juice, 25 grams of minced spring onion, crack a whole egg, and season it with half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and a pinch of white pepper powder. Mix them well with a pair of chopsticks in one direction until the filling turns sticky and gooey to a paste. You should be able to feel more and more resistance when mixing it. Then we can add in our vegetables. We use mushrooms and fungus here. Blend them in gently until they are incorporate. As the wonton wrappers, I bought some frozen ones. They are made for deep-fried wontons. I found them tend to be thicker and relatively harder than the ones for wonton soup. To wrap our wontons, take about half tablespoon of the filling, dip a thin layer of water on the edges, and fold it to the desired shape. I'm folding my wontons to the form of an ingot, because it's the most secure way I think to fold a wonton. You can try to wrap them into different shapes, but I have to say, a northern ingot wonton is how my mom always does it. It depends on your personal preference. For more wonton folding techniques, please check out the video on the card above. To deep fry our wontons, I'm using a small milk pot to save some oil. We will need about 1 to 1.5 liters of vegetable oil, and it's gonna use up about 80 milliliters of it. Turn the stove to medium-high heat, drop in our wontons one by one and deep fry them until they are golden brown. We can use chopsticks to flip them around in the oil so that they can be fried evenly. Our wontons will float on the surface of the hot oil once they are cooked through. We can then take them out and use a piece of paper towel to absorb some of the oil. I like to dip my deep-fried wontons in brown vinegar. My husband preferred to have them in some chili sauce or sweet Thai chili sauce. I think they taste just perfect by themselves. It's all up to you. Enjoy! Did you subscribe yet? If not, click here, click here, click here. Every day watch new videos at 6 p.m. Here are my 2 recommended videos. Thanks for watching. See ya. 谢谢大家。